and welcome back to Softhealer Technology. Today we will explore calendar sync functionality using Softhealer Office 365 connector module. For this, click on this now. Go to the calendar section. Here you will see several checkboxes for import events, export directly when, create and edit, import between dates, manage log history and auto schedule. For import events from Microsoft Office 365 to Odoo, simply check import event boolean, and if you want to import event based on particular date, so simply check this import between dates boolean and select your from date to to date. Here and then click sync calendar button. Now if you don't want to add a filter, so simply leave this empty and then click sync calendar button. Here you can see log history, one event added to the queue. Now navigate to the queue calendar. Here you can see manually import. Now let's go to the calendar application, Odoo. Here you can see calendar event, import from Microsoft Office. Here now if you want to export directly when we create or edit, so enable this checkbox, save, and then go to the meetings, create a new meeting, internal discussion, add. Now created. Let's check into the Microsoft